Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix some keys not working on your Windows 11 laptop keyboard. If certain keys are not responding, it can make typing really frustrating. I will walk you through a simple and effective method to fix this issue in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. First step is to press Windows plus R key on your keyboard to open the run box. Type regedit and press enter to open the Registry Editor. If prompt appear, click on yes. In the Registry Editor, on the left panel, click on H key local machine to expand it. Now click on System and then click on CurrentControlSet. Here look for Services and click on it. Now scroll down and find the folder named i8042prt. Click on it. On the right side, find Start and double click on it. In the value data field, set the value to 1. It's currently 3. So type 1 and then click OK. Now close everything and restart your system. If the value is already set to 1, try changing it to 2, restart your laptop and then set it back to 1 again. This helps refresh the keyboard settings. That's it. After restarting, your keyboard keys should start working normally again. Thanks for watching.